Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's Friday idioms. Yeah, quite a nice idiom. On the same page. On the same page. To know the same things. Yeah. If I'm talking about the things on page 145, but you're talking about the things on page 30, then we are not on the same page. We're not talking about the same stuff. We need to talk together about the same thing. Because if I'm talking about this, you're talking about that, then we're not on the same page. Yeah. Exactly. We are on the same page now about our progress. Now we are both on the same page and understand each other. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They have to be on the same page as us. They have to be on the same page as us. Otherwise there will be confusion. If they are not on the same page, then there will be general confusion. Yeah, people won't understand what's happening. People won't understand what we are talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Do you think we could get them onto the same page? Yeah, those two are out of sync. They're out of sync. They need to be in sync on the same page. Those two are out of sync and need to be on the same page. Otherwise, they are wasting their time. They're lost in the details. Like, what's this? Does it mean that? No, what's this? What about the, hang on, what about the, have a look here? No, that's not right. It's like, what? When they're on the same page, we think alike. When people are on the same page, they will think alike. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. On the same page. Now, can you use on the same page in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.